boy! Hey there, my name's Chris Palmer. In today's free SEO tools video, what I want to go ahead and share with you is a free, that's right, free complimentary tool that is going to be offered by none other than Bing themselves. Now, if you've been inside of Bing Webmaster Tools, you can see that they have released a complimentary tool set called Clarity. Now, this tool is absolutely phenomenal. I just noticed that the beta opened up and I was all over it, baby. So I wanted to go ahead and share this with you now. So I'm literally in the middle of adding it into the site, but I'll walk you through the process. I'll show you the tool. I'll show you the tool sets. I'll show you what it does, but it includes heat maps. It does all kinds of stuff. So in any case, let's not waste any time. Let's get right over to it. I'll go ahead and go to the page here. So as you can see, Bing Webmaster Tools. Okay, you go to Bing Webmaster Tools if you do not already have Bing Webmaster Tools, and if you're not using it for local, please go ahead and do that. They have Bing places much like local Google. But with that being said, this is a free SEO tools video. You'll log into your Webmaster Tools here in Bing. Now, once you're inside of your Bing page, you're going to log in. You can connect through your Microsoft account or Google account or however you want. So once your website is connected, this is done through the heading tag. Inside of your head, you'll put a piece of code. Once you put this piece of code inside of the head, you now have, much like Google Search Console or Google Analytics, it's the same kind of deal, but this is with Bing. So with that being said, you add the head and then you'll have these types of metrics. Now, if you look down to the very bottom here in the left-hand corner, you can see in beta mode, it's called Microsoft Clarity. So if you go ahead and take a look here at Microsoft Clarity, it's going to go ahead and give you a plethora of different tools. Now, I've already gone ahead and started installing it, but let's just look this up. Microsoft Clarity. If you want to go ahead and take a look, check this out. Microsoft Clarity, what it's going to do for you is it's going to offer, oh, it's not showing me the page here. Watch this. So new incognito here. We'll go to Google because I'm already signed up. It's just taking me right to it. But here, I want to show you what it can do for you. It's heat maps. You know, these paid tools that utilize this and do this and slow you down. Bam! Bing's giving it to us for free so we can see where users are going. But not only that, it's going to allow us and help us do other things. At least it says that it is. I don't know yet because I just got it. As soon as I found out, I'm telling you. So in any case, Microsoft Clarity. Okay, we'll go ahead and get inside of here. We're going to go to Microsoft Clarity. So free heat maps and session recordings. This is really cool, especially since it's complimentary and free. So in any case, as you can come down here, you can see that it's going to allow us instant heat maps. So it's going to tell us the most valuable places on the page, like how far are users going? What calls of action are actually working? Where are people going? What are they clicking on? You know, as it gets redder or more red, this is going to tell us or signify to us that we are getting more clicks in these particular areas. And also we'll be able to see how far people are actually going down the page. So I'm hoping that it will be able to accomplish these particular tasks without slowing down the site. So this way, when we're doing things on the website, we could actually show our clients or ourselves what we're doing is correct. Or when people are, when we're talking about adding anchor text or doing stuff at the bottom of the page and we're like, hey, nobody's even going down there. We can now prove it without it costing us money, without it slowing down our sites. I'm hoping. So this is an awesome free tool. It does instant heat maps. There's also session recordings. Like you can literally record what people are doing on site. So if you're doing any click-through rate, CTR stuff, we can start recording this now for free. You get what I'm talking about, right? In any case, we have powerful insights, session recordings, instant heat maps. And it integrates right into Google Analytics so we can make our own little custom template so we can go check the data along with the other data we're already checking. This is really cool. It's a 3 feature or 3 tool set in one. It's called Microsoft Clarity. Let's start walking through it. Let me show you the process. All right, this is really cool. I'm really excited about this. I heard them talking about this. I'm so happy that they released this. So in any case, what we can do is we're going to get inside of here and you can, first and foremost, you're going to put this piece of code inside of the heading tag, okay? So inside of the head. All right. Now, along with that, you're also going to need to put in another code, which is the MS validate. All right. So you should already have the MS validate. Then you put another piece inside of your heading tag. Now, once this is done and once you publish the site, everything should be up and running. Now we're inside the tool. This is Microsoft Clarity. So we have our overview. Here's what it looks like. I named mine Heat. I connected the website. The site category is consulting. I've saved that. Now there's team. You can add other people so other people can see the tool set as well. They can log in, they can look, they can view, they can make changes, do whatever you want. You want to give them access? Go ahead. Alongside of that, we have our setup. So again, you will need to go ahead and put these particular codes onto the page. So what this does is we're going to install it manually into the head. So all you have to do is copy this to the clipboard. We're going to bring it right over here to the head. If you're on WordPress, it's very easy. Again, I'm not using WordPress for this particular site, but I am utilizing Duda. So it's an equivalent, but better, right? It's faster, it's easier. In any case, so we've gone and added 1, 2, 3 separate codes, basically. There's a clarity, there's a tracking, and then you have to have Webmaster Tools, which you should already have, I hope. So with that being said, we have all of these elements on the website, all right? So we have our team, we have our setup, which is all done. Here's our masking. You can also do IP blocking. You can start blocking IPs. Maybe people are whacking you with the site or starting to bother you. So what we can do is we can go to our heat maps. After everything's installed, you'll have dashboard, recordings, heat maps, and settings, okay? So what we're going to do is go inside the heat maps. So let's get started. Let's see how easy this is. This is already on the site. Masking settings, get started, advanced settings. Let's go down here. Cookie policy is on. So it takes at least 2 hours to start seeing data. Now, I literally just got this on the site maybe an hour ago. I wanted to go ahead and make this video. It's called Microsoft Clarity. It's 3 tool sets in one. It's completely free for now from Bing in Webmaster Tools. Again, if you're unsure of how to do this, the very first step is go right over to Google or Bing and type in Bing Webmaster Tools. Once you go to Bing Webmaster Tools, the next step is going to be sign up for a Bing Webmaster Tools account. It's going to walk you through the process. It's seamless, just like Google stuff. Get up on Bing Webmaster Tools, sign up for Clarity, see the new beta. My name's Chris Palmer. I hope that you enjoy this free SEO tool. If you have any questions about this tool or any other SEO tools, feel free. Go ahead and ask in the section below, and I always look forward to seeing you in the next free SEO tools video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.